For this project, you're going to follow the Create a Story tutorial. So we're going to come up here and title it Create a Story, Share, copy your link, go attach it, go back inside, find the tutorial. We're looking for Create a Story. Okay. And for this one, I do want you to use the exact characters and backdrop that they've used here. So find the backdrop called Witch House. Add the sprite Wizard. Have the wizard say, "Welcome to Magic School" for 2 seconds. Add another sprite, this time the elf. Go to the elf's costumes and flip. Have the elf wait for the wizard to speak and then say, "I'm going on a quest" for 2 seconds. Select another backdrop, this time the mountain. Go ahead and in your elf code, say when flag is clicked, switch backdrop to Witch House. This tells us where to start the story. Wait 4 seconds because there's 4 seconds of dialogue happening, and then switch to the mountain. And when we get to the mountain, we're in the wizard code right now. When we get to the mountain, we want the wizard to hide so that the wizard does not go on the quest as well. And one last thing, that means that back here on the wizard's first code, when the flag is clicked, we want to show the wizard so that he's not hidden forever. All right, that is your Create a Story tutorial.